welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna see how to organize some medical stuffs with waste products. So let's get started. So as you can see, it's a mess in this box. If I want a headache medicine, I can't even find it. It's like so hard to find one. If it's an emergency, you really need it. So that's why we're gonna cut up this box, old tissue box that you already used all the tissues, and we're just gonna cut this whole top off. So I already have done it before, and here is what you will need. So we're just gonna start organizing all the medical stuffs, the tablets in here. So I finished arranging everything, ornaments, band-aids here, any kind of nose drops or any kind of headache things. And here's our full of tablets, and it's much more easier. And now these can fit anywhere, and these are very portable. So you could just put them right here. I like to put them in the order of these first, and these first, and these first. And ta-da, look how perfect it fits. And now it's very easy to grab any tablets, ornaments, or any kind of drops. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.